Alright. Welcome to our step-by-step SSIL tutorial for beginners. Tonight we're going to help you experience your first lucid dream. That's right, you heard me. We're going to be diving deep into the world of dreams, where anything is possible. You could be soaring with eagles, swimming with mermaids, or even walking on the moon. But it all starts with understanding the power of your own mind, and that's what we're here to do. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Now, SILD stands for Senses-Induced Lucid Dreaming. It's a technique that allows you to become aware that you're dreaming while you're still in the dream. It's like a secret handshake with your subconscious, a way to gently guide yourself into that magical realm of lucid dreaming, where you can control and shape your dreams. See, most folks think dreaming is just something that happens to them, a passive experience. But with SSILD, you're the director, the screenwriter, the star of your own show. You have the power to shape the narrative. You get to call the shots, deciding what happens next in your dream world. It's all about tapping into your senses, those beautiful channels that connect you to the world around you, and using them to stay aware. Sight, sound, touch. These become your tools, your allies in this journey towards lucid dreaming. You see, as you drift off to sleep, your mind starts to let go, to wander into that dreamscape where anything is possible. And that's where SILD comes in, guiding you gently into that state of awareness. By gently cycling through your senses, you're essentially training your mind to stay aware, to recognize that shift from wakefulness to dreaming, and to hold on to that awareness. It's like whispering to your subconscious, "Hey, I'm still here, I'm along for the ride, and I'm ready to explore this dream world with you." And the best part is, it's a gentle process. There's no need to force anything, no need to overthink it, just a simple, natural way to unlock the incredible potential of your own mind, to explore the depths of your subconscious. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of your own mind, to take control of your dreams and explore new possibilities, to explore the limitless possibilities of the dream world, to see what your mind is truly capable of? Then let's dive a little deeper, shall we? Let's uncover the mysteries of SSILD together. Let's talk about how this whole SSILD thing actually works, and how you can start practicing it tonight. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and lucid dreaming. Alright, let's break down the magic of SSILD step by step. It's like baking a cake. You gotta have the right ingredients and follow the recipe. Each step is crucial to get the perfect result. First things first, we're talking about the wake back to bed method. This is a foundational step in the SSILD process. Sounds fancy, but it's pretty straightforward. It's all about timing and preparation. You set an alarm to wake yourself up after about 4 to 6 hours of sleep. This timing is crucial for the technique to work effectively. This is key, because it's when your brain is primed for some serious dreaming. Your mind is in the perfect state for lucid dreaming. Once you're up, take a few minutes to really wake up. This helps to ensure that you're alert enough to perform the cycles. Stretch, splash some water on your face, maybe jot down any dreams you remember. This helps to engage your mind and body. Now comes the fun part, the SSILD cycles. These cycles are the core of the technique. This is where you start talking to your subconscious, using your senses as the language. It's a gentle conversation with your inner self. Close your eyes and focus on your sight, not on anything in particular, just the darkness behind your eyelids, the faintest flicker of light, whatever you perceive. Not on anything in particular, just the darkness behind your eyelids, the faintest flicker of light, whatever you perceive. Let your mind wander through the visual sensations, then shift your focus to your hearing. Listen to the subtle sounds around you, the gentle rhythm of your breath, the hum of the refrigerator, the distant bark of a dog. Every sound is a part of the experience. Just observe. Let the sounds wash over you. Next up, touch. Feel the physical sensations around you. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the mattress, the coolness of the sheets against your skin. It's all about awareness. Be present in the moment. Cycle through these senses a few times, slowly and gently. Each cycle deepens your relaxation. It's like a lullaby for your mind, easing it into that sweet spot between wakefulness and sleep. This is where the magic happens. And then, just let go. Surrender to the drowsiness, knowing that you've planted the seeds for some seriously vivid dreams. Surrender to the drowsiness, knowing that you've planted the seeds for some seriously vivid dreams. Trust the process. You might experience a false awakening, where you think you're awake but you're actually still dreaming. This can be a surreal experience. That's a good sign, means you're on the right track. It shows that your mind is engaging with the process. Or, you might find yourself launched straight into a lucid dream, fully aware and in control. This is the ultimate goal. Either way, you're in for a wild ride. Embrace the journey and enjoy the vivid experiences that come with it. Now you might be wondering, what makes SSILD so special? Why not just try to lucid dream the old-fashioned way? Well, here's the thing. SSILD is like that friend who just gets you. It understands the rhythm of your mind, the ebb and flow of your sleep cycle. It's not about forcing yourself to stay awake or trying to visualize complex scenarios. It's about working with your natural sleep patterns, enhancing them, making them work for you. See, most lucid dreaming techniques require a lot of focus, a lot of mental energy. But SSILD is different. It's gentle, it's effortless, it's almost like a meditation in itself. And because it's so easy to do, it's perfect for beginners. You don't need any prior experience with lucid dreaming, you just need an open mind and a willingness to explore. Plus, by focusing on your senses, you're actually training your mind to be more aware, not just in your dreams, but in your waking life too. You start to notice the little things, the subtle shifts in your environment, the nuances of your own experience. It's like waking up to a whole new world, both internal and external. So if you're ready to embark on this incredible journey, to unlock the hidden potential of your own mind, then give SILD a try. It's a simple technique, but its effects can be profound. And who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you discover along the way. So take a deep breath, relax, and let SILD guide you into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. So there you have it, folks, the secrets of SSILD revealed. Now it's up to you to take the reins, to explore the limitless possibilities of your own mind. Want to experience your first lucid dream tonight? Try SSILD and let me know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on lucid dreaming. Remember, the dream world is your oyster. So go on, get out there and make some magic.